Welcome back to the CSS series. I'm Abid Hussain, and in this video we are styling text like a pro using CSS. From basic fonts to advanced tricks like gradients and shadows, this episode has it all. Let's make your text stand out. Let's get started. Let's open our folder where we are working from last tutorials. So let's create a new folder here. Text, CSS text. Sure. Now let's open this folder first. Right, like this with Visual Studio. So this is our we can see folder. Now let's create a file here, index.html. Sure. Let's write some basic HTML code first. CSS text. Sure. We will write first here our basic text properties. Let's basic text properties first. Let's create a paragraph with some text here. Let's write lolling lollipops, just dummy text, nothing more than that. Let's open this in our browser. Right click, open with live server. Sure, this is our text. Let's style here. Sure, this is our style tag. Let's select paragraph. Here is our basic text properties, which are, firstly we can give color, suppose red. This gives our text a color. This sets the color to our text. Sure. Now this is our color property. Then another property is font size. Font size. These are all properties which we apply for text. It's like font size 10 pixel, 20 pixel, 30 pixel. So I will apply 36 pixels. Sure. Let's open this. This is our red color text and font size is 36 pixels. And this font size gives us, you can see, it controls our how big or small text appears. By that we do font size gives our, you can say, control to our increase or decrease size of our text. So then is now another property of text here is, which is font family. Suppose I will give select body and I will apply font family here. Font family suppose Arial sans serif. This is we apply font family for all our body. What our tag I will use in here, that this font family applies for everywhere. This we can say chooses the font style like Arial, Roboto, Poppins, and all that fonts we can apply here. But right now I'm applying Arial font, and let's see the output first. So this is our Arial font, and if I will give this is Times New Roman font, and if I will apply like this, here is Times New Roman font sans serif. See, this is Times New Roman, and I can apply here. Area. Okay, now you can see this is another type of font. Sure, here we can give the style of font here. Now there is another property of it, font weight and font style. Like we can say, I will this will give our fonts how thickness will be in font, and how should be italic or something like that. We can give using font style. Italic, normal. Suppose I will give italic. You can see our text is now italic. And now there is another property, font weight, like bold. Now our font is bold, or you can say font weight normal, lighter, whatever you want. Suppose I will give, suppose I will like this, I will give using number 100. This will this. If I will give 500, this will a little bit. Suppose I will give 900, which is now more bold. Sure, this is how we can give font weight also. Now there is another section for this, that is text alignment and transformation. We will apply also from that some text alignment and transformation. Text alignment and transformation. Now I will choose another paragraph, and I will lorem 20. Sure, here I will give word wrap so I can see within your display, and now I will give text alignments and transformations. Now I will comment this one first of all, because I will keep it as it is, and I will give class to it. Now, so our, if I will run like this, the style will be same. You can see style is same because this is also paragraph. Now I will give classes to them. Suppose basic text and copy this, now add here dot this. Now only style for this, because now there is no tag selection, because there now is class selection. Now I will give class for this also. Okay, text alignment. Now select this first. Alignment. Sure. Now select this first, and here I will text align center. Now this is centered now. Now another is text transform. Here is text transform. Suppose capitalize, you can see every first letter is capitalized. Suppose all the S, A, C, these all are capital now because of text transform capitalize. Now I will give uppercase, then you can see this is now all capital. We can give also lowercase, then everything will be in small. See, now everything is in small, even first letter also. See this. So now now there is a that is spacing and height. There is another thing we can give to the text, spacing and height. Here also spacing and height. Now I will give another p tag, and I will give class to it. Sure, here I will write some text. Now is lorem, I will choose this class, and you can see now spacing and height we will give. The first thing we will give letter spacing first. Letter spacing, suppose 1.3 some. Not 1.3, I will give suppose 4 pixels letter spacing. Now you can see this spacing here. If you want to decrease, you can give 1 pixel. See, now I will give 10 pixel. See the difference. Now this is we can give space on every letter. Now there is another property, word spacing. Word spacing, suppose 5 pixel. Now see, and after every word there is 5 pixel of space. I will give you more space, suppose 20 pixel. You can see, even this is 20 pixel space, this is 20. Like that we can give word spacing also. There is another thing, line height also. Line height, suppose I will give 2. So I will give 5. See the gapping between these two lines. So I will increase the text of it, then you can see better way what actually it is. So let's format the document first. You can see now the line height here, and if I will give a 1, you can see now I will give 2, you can see I will give 3, 4. This is how we can give line height, gap in between two lines. And truncating and wrapping the text, like text overflow, white space and overflow. So let's do that thing also here. Truncating and wrapping. Truncating and wrapping, and now let's give also here. Truncating and wrapping now. Let's make a paragraph here. I'll give this text here. Now I will give a class here. Track wrap. I will give this class here. Let's copy and start giving properties to it. I think I will give white space, no wrap. Let's give white space, no wrap. Let's write some more text here, and then we can see here what actually it is. You can see there is no wrap between index. So I will remove this wrap. See, there is no wrapping. Now see the wrap, no wrap. There is instance of wrapping, but if I wrap, well, it takes the width of our screen. If we will not give the wrap, it is like that. Suppose I will give wrap, no wrap, it will work like that. Suppose here I will give the lorem here. See, there is no wrapping here. Now if I will give the word wrap, it is now in this screen, and it is visible to my eyes now. Nothing is hiding outside the screen. Okay, and this, suppose I will give this thing here, and I will apply. Suppose I will add more text here. Okay, now there is no wrapping here, and see, no wrapping, and I will give overflow heading. Suppose if I don't want overflow it even with wrap, so it will be overflow hidden. You can see now. So from here it is hiding all text, and the scroll is now hiding. Suppose if I will give scroll auto, you can see now it is, you can scroll this text only. See, this is how the wrapping and overflow is working. Now we can see the text overflow. Here I will give hidden, and now another thing, text overflow, ellipsis, ellipsis. Sorry, here is a spell miss. Ellipsis. So here is text overflow, ellipsis. See, now you can see three dots here. It means that some text is hiding and it is a more text. There can be lots of text here. That's why text overflow ellipsis, this gives three dots here for giving me information to there is a lot of text that is hiding from our screen. So for that we give ellipsis, text overflow ellipsis. It is used when we have lots of text but we don't want to show or text all text, then we will, when we mouse over it, then we can see all text. It is used for that. We didn't learn yet what is mouse over. In upcoming videos I will show you definitely what how mouse over is working, how we work with this also. When we mouse hover on it, then we can see all text in our over. And also now there is advanced style. Somehow we can add text shadow also. Suppose I will give here text, so I will apply for this now, text shadow, 2 pixels, 5 pixels. This is our x-axis, y-axis and blur. And now another one is color. Suppose I will give black. Now see, there is text shadow, it, and this was there. Now if you want to add gradient color to it, now you can also apply. If I want add gradient color to it, now you can see background linear gradient, gradient or range. You can see, and color is white or wheat. You can see how gradient color also works. And now there is another property. You can see if I wanted this apply to our color, you can see we have to give this background clip text. Now this background color will apply on our text. See, and let's remove first of all shadow for now. Now you can see this is now, you can see gradient color to it. And if you want to change the color, I will show you with blue, then you can see definitely how we apply gradient color to our text using this. These are three properties you have to remember when we apply gradient color to our text. Sure, if I want to apply for this also, then you can apply this here, and then you can see the text. Okay, here you can have font size 50 pixels suppose. See now how it looks like. You can change the color of it now, and I will apply green, and this one. See, this is how we can say apply these things to our CSS text. I think it is enough, so I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful for you, please give a thumbs up to this video. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do subscribe and support me to make content like this. And I also want to make a comment to this on this video. If you have any sort of query and you have any sort of question regarding this, definitely I will help you. So thanks, happy coding.